Hey everyone, welcome back. Is OKX Wallet crashing instantly or showing a connection error because you have a VPN running on your iPhone? Here's the 20-second fix from settings. OKX Wallet automatically restricts connections from VPN addresses as a security measure. This means if any VPN is active on your iPhone, even one sitting quietly in the background, OKX Wallet can crash, refuse to load, or show a connection error. So, go to your settings app, then scroll down and then tap General. Next, scroll down again to VPN and device management. Look at the VPN section at the top. If any VPN shows a green connected status or active indicator, tap on it and then tap disconnect or toggle it off. After that, go back to the main settings. Look for any VPN you've installed like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Surfshark, Proton VPN or similar other VPNs. Then open that app and make sure that it is fully disconnected, not just paused. Once all VPNs are off, open OKX Wallet app and then try to connect it and it will connect normally. So all you gotta do is go to settings, go to general, go to VPN and device management, then disconnect anything that's active. Also fully disconnect your VPN app. OKX Wallet will work and that's it. Subscribe.